Well, hello ladies and gentlemen. So welcome to another video. So we're going to make and build a C++ math program, right? So what we need to do, we're going to be using functions, if statements or switch statement. That's what you expect in this video. So okay. So first of all, we want to create an addition function, right? That accepts two numbers. So let's say int what addition, then in these brackets we just say int a, int b, then we open our curly brackets, then we write the function. So it's like this. We want to add two numbers, right? So that means int, okay, we can say return a plus b, as simple as that. And then within our function, right, we can declare and initialize some values. For example, int x is equals to 3 and y is equals to what, 5. There we go. Then we now want to call this addition function just like this, right? Then we're going to say x, then we're going to put y. So it's going to capture the value of x and the y and place it within this point, right? Then it's going, well, when it calls this addition function, is going to place all those values at a and b respectively. So let me just run for and see, compile and run. As you can see, the result is not yet shown. Why? Because we have to make it happen. Okay, now we say cout. Okay, then we now compile and run it again. As you can see, this is the value of our program. It is 8, right? So now we want to add some other functions, right? Since this one works, now we want to add other function to our program. So we're going to copy the same thing, then we just paste it, then we're going to paste it again, then we're going to paste it again. So the first one will be addition, the next one will be subtraction, right? So we're going to say subtraction, just like this. Then we put a negative sign here. The next one will be what, multiplication. Then we're going to put in this sign, okay, this multiplication sign, a star. Then now we're going to say division, just like this. Now we put a what, a division sign in our program. As you can see, now we have to just compile and run to check for errors. There is no errors, so let's just go back. Okay, so now we can just do this. We can first put a what, addition, then it's going to put this one. Then let me just go and do this, copy, then I'm going to paste, then I'm going to say subtraction just like this. Then I'm going to change this whole thing into subtraction, subtraction. Okay, the same goes to the next one. So let me just compile and run so that you can see the result. Okay, there is an error here. Why? Because let's see. Okay, expect a semicolon. Where is the semicolon needed here? Okay, I'm surprised. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Yes, this. Okay, let's now compile and run our program and see the result. So addition is what, 8, subtraction is what, -2, right? So we need to put a next line, so that's our program will just be clean. Next line, just like this. Then I'm going to copy the whole thing here, then I'm going to paste it on the next line, and paste it again on the next line, right? So now I'm going to change. So the other one will be multiplication. Then the last one will be what? Division, right? Just like this. Now we're going to change the whole thing in here, right? So we're going to say division. Okay, small letters, division, right? So did I use subtraction as a capital letter? So yeah, I should fix this one. Okay, so this one should be what? Multiplication. You can just name any name which you want, right? It's not, but this one is just for us to know what we're doing, so that we won't forget which function was this about. So that's why we use division. Yeah, the right names. So let's just compile and run it again. As you can see, it's showing results, but I used the wrong next line. So what I have to do, right, I'm going to go and change everything. I don't know what's happening. Then I'm going to change another one, then the fourth one, then hopefully now it's going to show up the result to the screen. As you can see, this is addition. These are the values from addition. These are the values from division. As you can see, yeah. So now what I'm going to do, right, is we have create a math program using functions. So I'm going to create another video where I'm going to have a certain menu, right, that is a user will select from. If the person wants to add, is going to select add addition. If the person wants to subtract, is going to select maybe option number 2 for subtraction. So guys, cheers, bye for now, see you in the next video tutorial.